Scrambled egg with tomato is a common home-cooked dish in China. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make it. Make a cross-shaped cut on the top of the tomato. Blanch it in boiling water for a few seconds. This will make it easier to peel. Wash and remove the stem of the tomato. Cut into chunks or slices. Crack 4 eggs into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and cornstarch to make the eggs tender. Whisk it thoroughly. Pour cooking oil into the pan. Make sure the oil is hot before adding the eggs. The egg mixture will quickly solidify when it touches the hot pan. Gently push the edges to allow the uncooked egg to cook. Fry until golden brown and fluffy, then set aside. Leave a little oil in the pan and add chopped green onions to fragrance it. Add the tomatoes. Stir fry over high heat until the tomatoes soften and release their juices. Add a spoonful of tomato sauce. Now, add some water, salt, and sugar to taste. Let the sweet and sour flavors blend perfectly. Add the scrambled eggs. Stir fry everything together. Let the eggs absorb the tomato sauce and then serve. Use ripe tomatoes, they're best for this dish. Adding tomato sauce will make the sauce richer. If you want to learn more about Chinese dishes, please visit my homepage.